How to change background in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change background on your Instagram story. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. By default, if I just open up Instagram, and once I open Instagram, I try to upload a specific story. So let's say I just choose a random picture from my list over here. So I'll just go ahead and then choose a random picture. What this does is that this is simply a picture, but the background is actually set by Instagram themselves, and it's not up to me to change it because it's going to copy the accent color and then put them accordingly in the background. But what if you want a custom color in the background and not necessarily the ones depending upon your photo? So in that case, what you have to do is just choose a random photo first of all. So you can just go ahead and select a random photo. Now it could be any photo. We're just going to convert this photo into a background color first of all. So in order to convert this photo into a background, we just have to tap on the draw tool at the very top and just select any of the color that you want this background to have. So let's say that I want to select this background to be blue. I'll just select the blue color and I'll just long press on it, and you can see the background will be changed to blue. And now I'll just tap on the check button. Now what if I want to add photos above this background? In order to add photos above this background, now you can clearly see we do not have the option to add photos like we did earlier because we changed that option to our background. Now in order to add photos, just tap on the sticker icon from the top right hand side. Right over here you can see the sticker button. Just tap on that one, and over here you have to look for the photo sticker, which is this plus icon over here. This is basically a photos sticker. So you just have to tap on the sticker, and now you can just go ahead and choose the photos that you want to add. It could be a dark one, it could be a light one. It doesn't really matter because this time it is not going to change the background color accordingly. So you can just go ahead and select any of the photos that you want. You can also change the shape. Currently it has rounded corners. If I want sharp, you can just select it and it'll turn to sharp. You can change it to circle by tapping it once. You can change it into a square, heart, you have star, and you also have the rounded corners. And once you're done with this, just tap on the your story button from the bottom of the screen, and that way you'd have successfully changed your background on Instagram. That's all it takes to change the background on your Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.